Okay, welcome everybody, APG Studio, and another 10 minutes session. Today upper body, working for strong shoulders, nice shape in this area, shoulders and your arms. Okay, ready to start right now. But before, if you're watching first time, please subscribe and turn on notification bell. Never miss any content from my channel because we are so busy and we're uploading and doing live stream almost every day. So don't miss anything. And now we're ready to start our 10 minutes yoga for upper body. Stronger and slimmer arms and shoulders. Let's start on your forearm. And now tuck your toes under, inhale, as you exhale, lift your knees and hips off the floor. Try to make movement up and back to work for your upper body and your core. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Remember, you can stop any time. If you don't have that much strength, you can take a break. If you need to, yoga is for everyone, but everyone's yoga is different. But if you find, let's try 3 more. Inhale and exhale. Last one. And now I'm going to hold down the position and move forward, maybe just a few inches or all the way to plank. And as you exhale, back to the down dog. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 2 more times. Inhale and exhale. Last one. Bring your knees down and stretch your upper body, lower back in child pose. And now hands with your shoulders width apart. When you inhale, move forward, so shifting balance forward on your arms, but without dropping your hips. Okay, so you've got your glutes muscles and your abs engaged. And as you exhale, go back to child pose. You can continue with your straight arms. Depends how strong is your upper body. You can try bend your elbows, but keep your elbows close to you. It's not the traditional push-ups with your elbows out, elbows in. Inhale, forward and down, and exhale, down dog with your strong abs. Inhale, and exhale. Maybe 2 more times. And 1 more. And stretch again. Child pose. Okay, now on your floor, left leg straight on the floor, and now right arm. Inhale, exhale. Check how is your upper body, head, and your chest. Lift up, okay? So feel the difference when you're dropping and when you're lifting your chest up. It's like pushing yourself away, okay? So instead, keeping your shoulders like this, you just push them down to activate all the muscles in your upper back. So you can try drop and lift, drop and lift and hold now. And now left leg and right arm. Inhale, slowly exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 2 more. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Okay, now right leg, left arm again, checking shoulders. Strong glutes on your right and left arm. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Maybe 2 more if you can. And relax again. Resting child pose. Maybe if you're just higher, resting on your elbows or stretching more by reaching forward with your arms. Just make sure the stretching is comfortable for you. Okay. And I've got forearms front of your elbows, if your shoulders width apart. Feet, knees together. Inhale, knees on the floor. As you exhale, press your elbows, hands down to lift your knees. Inhale, on the floor, and exhale, lift up. So avoid moving forward and resting on your head. Really work with your upper body by pressing down your hands and your elbows, okay? Inhale and exhale. Right way to improve the strength in your upper body as well as flexibility in your chest. Inhale and exhale. You can continue with your knees up and down, or if you find, try challenge more by rocking your body front and back. Inhale forward, exhale back. Maybe 2 more. And relax. Excellent. Okay, now on your knees, left leg straight to your side, right hand down the floor, could be just fingertips or flat hands if you're not flexing your hips. Okay, if you're struggling to reach, use something, could be yoga blocks, could be something different. If you don't have block, you can just improvise. It's all about squeezing glutes because that gives you the strength in your core, okay? And now we're trying to move your right foot just to the position, feeling good and strong balance. So if you're feeling it's not that strong anymore, move your foot slightly back. If you find maybe you've got your right foot knee in line with your left ankle, okay? And now, if you're still with me, you're trying to lift your right leg. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Feel your right side, not only arm, shoulder, but your obliques as well. Maybe 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Perfect. Bring your right foot back again. And now on your left side. Check position. If it needs to be behind your knee, that's fine. Still trying to lift your left knee off the floor. Okay, whatever your foot is pointing. Depends how strong is your balance. But remember, all about here. Muscles engaged, glutes and your abs. Inhale and exhale. If you can, try 2 more. Inhale and exhale. Perfect. To child pose, stretch, move your body side to side. And that's it for today. 10 minutes for upper body. So you can mix and match previous videos, depends if you still want to 10 minutes or maybe longer session. So that's the idea. So thank you for today. If you enjoyed it, please give me thumbs up and please leave the comments. If you're doing only upper body, maybe core, maybe different type of yoga with me, like sculpt yoga, great way to tone and shape your body as well, but it's 30 minutes. I can leave the link in here so you can try it as well. And thank you for today. Enjoy the rest of your day. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do it now and turn the bell so you will receive all the notifications, all the informations about new videos coming or some live stream as well. So thank you for today and see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.